Hi, this is John from the Crafty Pirate, and today I want to ink this piece. This actually I drew in a lined notebook. As you can see, I just drew her in ballpoint pen, and there wasn't any underdrawing or anything. But I liked the basic concept of her, and thought, hey, let's do a mermaid. And I scanned her in and deleted the blue lines and colorized the line work green. So if I want to pull that out later in Photoshop, I can just desaturate it or make the image black and white and delete all the color. So let's get started. So today I'm going to start out using these brush pens, and discovered these a little while ago, and the set costs about $20, but gives you a bunch of different line weights. And what I like about these is you can do a little bit of a wash after the fact when you lay down the line, and they come in different sizes. The reason I put a piece of green tape on the ones I'm using is so I know, hey, these are the ones I'm using, and once they run out, then I can move on to the next one. And I do the same thing with my white gel pen if I need to do that, or anything that I'm, drawing with, so I know, okay, well, I'm not using 3 of the same pens, and hey, now they're all depleted. So that's just a bit of a helpful tip, and I'll be using this Pentel water brush, and I'm going to use this Pentel pen, and it's just it's pretty much run out, but it's good for dry brushing, and I can hit that with a little bit of water and reactivate the ink. So let's get started. So in this case, what I'm going to try and do is just kind of give her an outline, and just being a little bit loose here. And just going in and just have fun. And this is the thing, it's all about fun, and if you find something that you've sketched in your notebook and you say, hey, I really like that concept, this is a way of retrieving that artwork and possibly making a bigger piece out of it, because this was a lot smaller, and I just blew it up in Photoshop, and I don't have to follow every line that I did previous, because like I said, the color lines I'll probably get rid of because they're a little bit sketchy. I'm just doing a little fin on her arm. It was just kind of the concept of a sort of a siren or mermaid playing her harp. Trying to catch the attention of the sailors to come in and crash into the rocks. So.
wrong, 'cause I've seen down ending the night. No point to resist nor ever fight. From days to years, just passing by. We lost our attention, lost the light across the ocean of our lies. You know what's wrong to be with you. I never felt you wanted to, like all those parties without fun, like a summer without sun. You know what's wrong to be with you. I never felt you wanted to, like all those parties without fun, like a summer without sun. Oh, sweetheart, let's contemplate. Forget your anger, drop the hate. We're still the masters of our fate. Today feels wrong, tomorrow we'll be on our own. Everlasting game no one ever won. Now it's just you and me apart, each other with a broken heart. You know what's wrong to be with you. I never felt you wanted to, like all those parties without fun, like a summer without sun. You know what's wrong to be with you. I never felt you wanted to, like all those parties without fun, like a summer without sun. All things get worse. I can do one thing on my own, and I have nothing on my mind but to be with you.
Okay, well, I think she's pretty close to being done. This one will add a little bit of wash in here. And I think we're going to call her done. Thanks for watching.